papuntang Australia daw ang ano.
Yes.
Okay, may dumudukot na po. Dumukot na si Mayor.
50,000.
50,000.
Glorieta. Ako ng stop ay Starbucks. Ano order eh?
Strawberry, strawberries and cream.
Strawberries and cream. It's a strawberry logo.
Ito, ikaw.
Ay, ako. Java chip broccoli. Forever mint. Simula pa nung ano? Simula pa nung bata.
Happy ka ba?
Yes. Sobrang naman favorite ko ang gawin.
Magkano pa masahe?
Mga sa akin, 20.
Kenzie.
Ha?
Kenzie.
Hindi. Ayaw nga. 15.
Hindi marunong magbilang.
Gusto ko mapunta dyan.
Gift card ang gift card. Walang binibenta.
Ang gift card, si ate parang mas sulit ngayon.
Ang bagal manukli.
Walang bumukli, parang hindi na diligan.
Para hindi nadiligan kagabi. Ito. Atol.
Assorted, ano yung chocolate?
Last station to kaya magal.
Distansya Cabañanes.
Dito na kami sa
Ayala.
Ayala. Ang ganda oh.
Ayala.
Ayala. Kapatid ni Ayala. Grabe, na-experience na ko ito ulit.
After
17 years. Sobrang happy ng date.
kahit may record work.
Yeah, may workshop meron. Social naman yung work kasi may Starbucks.
May Starbucks. Mamamotivate na kayo pag-away sa ano.
Uy, grabe naman mga kasama.
Glorieta 4, Glorieta 5,
Ayala,
SM Makati.
my fire truck. SM Makati, later tayo dyan. Sarap mag ano guys, mag-walking dito.
Mamaya mag-walking tayo hanggang mapagod tayo, hanggang mawalan tayo ng paa.
Lapot-lapot na kami pero masaya mag-walk.
Hindi kung jeep, kung gusto mo jeep. Nakapag-jeep ka na.
Yeah. Good morning.
Ito yung kaya na street.
Sprinkles. Dito na kami loob ng Glorieta. Yun yung hero.
Unang gana na malayo.
Yeah. Settle ka muna dun. Gusto ko lang baka. Ito. Ayan. Ha? Oo. Dito kami na, no?
Berry o kaya?
Pinkberry. Yeah. Yung isa pa. Sabi mo. Meron? First Starbucks together. Ano yan? Ano yan?
Pink drink.
Pink drink. Tapos ako naman ay double chip latte. Ay, ako pala ni first time. Tapos meron isa na greenage. Ay, meron po tayo. Nakakapagpapit ako sa dati. Strawberry. Strawberry. The best way.
Like glass you shattered, I said it's my mistake. I make things harder, so I tried my
Card kami na. Starbucks. Malay mo. Nakadalawa na tayo.
Said you can't trust me. I said it's fine because I'm not happy till I tell.
Hi, we're teaching on Friday. We are, sir ko, we are at?
Hey, Chanel, by the way, po, my name is Ivy. I will be your server for today. Let me know my first order that I will order. Do you have bistro card?
Apa?
Do you have bistro card?
Card? Ah, wala. Ano?
Meron po kami gift card na 1K.
Can I, para mapaano na?
Ano pa lang po?
Won't be just right, easy.
And can I have po, the Friday's Whiskey Glazed Chicken with garlic rice. And then the Friday's Whiskey Glazed Riblet. And pwede po sides na, hindi mo garlic rice sa garlic rice. And then with the drink, saan gusto mo?
Water lang po.
Order. And then meron po bottomless ice. Meron po bottomless ice. Order na kami. Nakain na kami. Hindi mo yung Starbucks dito.
Yeah. Check. We'll take it back to the beginning when we first met. I find it funny how you hit me with the silence. So lady,
Ako kumain. Ako kumain sa TGI Friday. Sarap.
Sarap. At ang baba ng bill. Hindi ma.
Kasi may 1,000 off si Maring Cake.
Salamat DX.
Salamat Cake. Salamat DXC.
Mabuhay kayo.
Mabuhay kayo.
Dahil dyan. Saan? Ay, naik. Happy place. Ng bebe ko. Sayang-saya na naman siya. Ba, may ganyan ka, di ba?
Ano na ito? Parang kailangan ko ng ganyan. Sabi yung mga panda mo. Panda. Yan na ako.
Yes. Ito yung shadow. Ay, ang pogi mo dyan, be.
Ha?
Ang pogi mo dyan.
Dami pang running ka na.
Na shoes. There. Dito ka. Anong prospect mo na bilhin?
Na?
Bilhin.
Nana?
Anong balak mong ang hinahanap mo? May ganito ka labi, di ba?
Wala pa. Ay, shit. First time ko makahanap ko. Ang ganda pala nito. Parang cash sa luggage.
Patingin. Hindi lang yung bottom.
Lebron 21.
Ano ang tawag?
Lebron 20.
Bakit? Ano bang original price?
10,890.
10? Ay, sinukat na.
Pero ito hindi nakasave.
Ha?
Hindi nakasave.
Ano yung XD?
Ganun din. Pero ano siya.
Yung gantong finish lang yung nakasale.
Busy ako na Stephen.
Ha?
Busy ako na
Ah, yung gantong finish nga lang yung nakasale. Kasi iba yung finish nito. Ito mo, pearly. Tsaka pag hindi siya madumi, ito baka kasi ito mo,
Ganun.
nagdudumi na.
Black. Iba yan.
Ano yun?
Iba rin yung texture.
Iba yung finish niya.
Pero nakasave.
Pero ang ganda nito. Ito parang bet na bet.
Ganda,
Oh,
no?
malayo ka pa lang. Oh.
Ganda. Sheesh.
Mga isang suotan.
Ano kaya? Ito. Yes, sir.
Ay! Ang cute niya. Ito.
Can I try?
Ikaw? Gusto mo na yan?
Gusto ko po. Can I try lang?
Magkano yun for a price of... Be, bordahan na lang kasi.
1,000
No. It's a no. Be,
Ano?
nakatapat yan sa desk.
Ano? Yes,
Ay, may black.
Parang laki.
Tapos meron
Parang large lang dapat.
meron pala siya dito sa gilid na Ito. Ay, iba ba to?
Hindi.
Ay, ito. May ganyan.
Parang large lang ako. No. Sabi niya.
Cute siya.
Kasi, di ba may sapatos ng ganito?
May... Tapos susuotin mo.
Sabi ko. Oo.
Sige lang, tingnan natin. Si Mayor. Ipili mo yan, Mayor. Ilaban mo ang ukay.
Box din naman si Steven dito.
Ano yan?
Oo.
Pang?
Women's.
Women?
Ang idol ko.
Si... Anong... Lebron ano yan?
Yan, ganun.
Anong, ano? Ano?
21.
21.
Pwede mo kung paano.
Ha?
Hindi mo tip yung kulay.
Hindi siya madaling partneran. Sobrang difficult
Pero ang ganda sana nung ano.
nung finish.
Kung may block lang ganda ko eh. Hindi ako kasi basta. Hindi na lang ang sports bed.
Yeah. Yan ang ano, magtingin ka muna, tapos sabay yung the best.
Oo, diba? Parang makakabili po tayo ng shoes ngayong araw. Parang nararamdaman ako.
Parang kinakabahan.
Parang gusto kong ano, sa tanong kasama ko.
Beba, papayagan kita kahit 5 pa. Basta
Ikaw?
ikaw yung pumalit dyan.
Ganito ba?
Ikaw pumalit dyan.
Ay, be. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Isa na lang. Okay, finish mo na.
Good luck.
Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby. I know that's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right. Oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby. I know that's that me espresso. I can't relate to desperation. Might give a fuck. Are on vacation. And I got this one boy, and he won't stop calling.
Pag-iisipan pa natin para may bilis. Kasi gusto natin yung quality talaga.
Yeah.
Worth it.
Worth it. Yan ang ano, word of the day.
Dark skin and I perfume it for you. Yes, I know what.
Ay,
Ganda ng 7A.
ay, hindi. Eh, ganun yung mga sapatos mo, di ba? Pakita ko sa'yo.
Mountain Dew it for you. Yes, that morning coffee brewed it for you. Yes, one touch and I'm brand new it for you. Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby. I know that's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right. Oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby. I know that's that me espresso. Holy shit. Is it that sweet? I guess so. I'm working late, cause I'm a singer. Oh, we look so cute. Wrapped around my finger. My twisted humor. Make him laugh so often. My honeybee. Come and get this pollen. Too bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in and dream came true for you. Soft skin and I perfume it for you. Yes, I know I'm Mountain Dew it for you. Yes, that morning coffee brewed it for you. Yes, one touch and I'm brand new it for you. Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby. I know that's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right. Oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby. I know that's that me espresso. Thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby. I know that's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right. Oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby. I know that's that me espresso. Is it that sweet? I guess so. That's that me espresso.
Saan stop ka? Wait lang.
Don't stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Yeah, I don't wanna fall asleep, I don't wanna pass away. I've been thinking of our future, cause I'll never see those days. I don't know why this has happened, but I probably deserve it. I tried to do my best, but you know that I'm not perfect. I've been praying for forgiveness, you've been praying for my health. When I leave this earth, hoping you'll find someone else. Cause yeah, we still young, there's so much we haven't done. Getting married, start a family, watch your husband with his son. I wish it could be me, but I won't make it off this bed. I hope I go to heaven, so I see you once again. My life was kinda short, but I got so many blessings. Happy you were mine, it sucks that it's all ending. For too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head.
I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Yeah, hey.
Hi, we're back at it again. We're now at
Greenbelt 5.
So, hindi kami nakapag-vlog kanina. Kasi medyo pagod siya. Kaya tinan mo yung mga glasses. May bago ng glasses ang first.
Yes. Ang ganda ng salamin ko.
Salamin. Dito tayo sa aking favorite. Wow.
Nasa ang favorite na? Ay, yung Batting 8. Batting 8. May nakita kong Batting 8. Saan? May Crocs din. Bato. Ay. Dagat. Dagat ang galing. Partnership with Nike. And then, triple white.
At ganito yun siya.
Bakit ano? Parang iwa yung ano niya, texture. Seryoso si Mayor.
Yes. Kailangan mo kaya tayo ng magandang piece.
Ano ibig sabihin ng APC?
All package. Yan. Si Zara. Zara Heronimo. Sa women's section ng Zara, titingin po siya ng isang bag. Magkano? 1.4.
May kasama siyang isang ganito. Para pag nawaras.
Mamay. Baka?
Parang may kamoy siya na ano, bench. Ang cute na yun. Grabe naman to. Bakit kaya nagbubo na? Isa lang siya, isang mahaba.
And did I ever get to tell you what you meant to me? And did you know that you were always like a fantasy? And are you off to see the
Huge din.
find yourself inside a fantasy? And did you ever find the love in you found in me? And will I ever get the chance to be a fantasy? And will I see
Ang poster.
you down the road wherever that may be?
Poster yun. Poster to? Eh, poster ang liit. Di ba naman?
You're my fantasy.
Ito mo ito. May poster.
It's nice to know that there's so much left to go. But as seasons start to change,
Ay, dumating naman sa mga.
may start to fade. But I'll never forget all the ease you put me in. Oh, the sun will start to set as the leaves rise in the wind. And amidst the sea of red, I'll think of the words you said. Oh, when it's hardest in the snow, wondering which way to go. Though the spring will come with time. I have lost this love of mine. If it all just ends today, I think I will be okay.